तो चलो गाइस, मैं आपको मुलाकात करवा ही देता हूँ मेरा वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट से जो मैंने बना है। वेकअप।
This is time for your sleep,
ये
sir.
बता रहा है अभी।
How can I help you?
What is time right now?
11:03 p.m.
मेरा सोने का टाइम है। What's your name?
My name is Luna.
What's my name?
I don't know.
देखा? No. What is my name?
Your name is Kishore.
Are you boy or girl?
I am a girl.
What is your age?
I don't really have an age, since I am a digital assistant.
What's your age?
I'm 20 years old.
Open Amazon and search Google Home. Amazon को ओपन किया, खुद ही सर्च करेगा। मैं तो कुछ करने ही नहीं वाला। सर्च कर लिया।
Open Amazon and search Google Home.
Chrome, close the current window.
There is no keyboard shortcut to close the current window in Chrome. However, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus W to close the current tab.
Turn off tube light. घर का लाइट ऑफ।
The tube light is now off.
Turn on tube light.
Okay, I'll turn on the tube light for you.
Play Ariana Grande video.
Ariana Grande, Side to Side Foot Nicki Minaj, official video. https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals 0 bs@7n4.
Chrome, close the current window.
There is no keyboard shortcut to close the current window in Chrome. However, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus W to close the current tab.
What is relationship between us?
There is no definitive answer to this question since relationships can vary greatly in nature. However, in general, relationships involve some level of interaction and connection between two or more people. This interaction can be positive or negative, but it typically involves some level of communication, exchange of ideas or emotions.
What is relationship between you and me?
There is no relationship between you and me.
I'm your friend.
Thank you for being my friend. I appreciate your support and care.
बहुत कुछ पूछ लिए, और क्या पूछा जाए मैं थोड़ा सोचता हूँ। How many people live in Earth? Search.
Searching in Google how many people live in Earth.
देखो यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है। Chrome, close the current window. Okay, इसको सोने।
There is no keyboard shortcut to close the current window in Chrome. However, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus W to close the current tab.
Luna, go and sleep.
I'll go and sleep now.
बाय बाय, सी यू लेटर गाइस।